Hello everyone, this is Rod over here from Radical Reviews, and today I bring you a very cool product. This is a selfie stick or monopod, however you prefer to call it. And this is a very sturdy version of a monopod, and I'm going to show you a couple of the cool features that I like about it. So first of all, this is a battery operated monopod, but it does not come with a replaceable battery. Instead, it comes with a rechargeable battery, which I think is really cool because you can basically charge it just about everywhere. So with that in mind, it brings a charging cable. This is a micro USB and then just a USB port on the other side. And the charging port is right down here. I'm gonna show a lot better with the light. So that's the charging port, and this is the on-off switch so that you can turn on the Bluetooth in order to connect it to your phone. So this will connect to your phone so that you can take pictures or videos. And these are the controls right here. Now, you see here a camera and a plus and a minus sign, like volume buttons. Unfortunately, you cannot use those to zoom in or out, but you can use those to take pictures as well. With this one, you take a single snap. With this one, you can actually leave it pressed. You can take a burst shot. So you can take a bunch of pictures with the monopod. If you're in the video mode on the camera, you can just press this one to start recording video. You can press it again to stop recording video. Now, in addition to the monopod, it also brings this part right here, and this is what holds the phone, or the cradle for the phone basically. This one extends to accommodate for larger phones as well. It's a really strong spring, so I have no doubt that it will keep your phone nice and secure. And it's got sort of phone pads right here and back here to keep your phone from just falling off, sliding off, or scratching your phone, having the plastic scratch your phone. Whichever way, it will protect it. Now, this is kind of interesting because it's got the 1/4-inch screw on the bottom, and you have two options to use it. You can either use this one and keep the phone like this, and it also brings one on the back in case you want to put it like that, and then you can keep your phone like that and kind of point it up. Whichever way you prefer, you can use this device right here. So I'm going to show you how it looks on the monopod in just a second. I want to show you how you open the monopod. This monopod is actually 4 feet tall. This is really long, guys. I thought it was really cool. And in order to open it, it's really simple. All you have to do is you open this tab right here and then extend it. Once you extend it, you close it, and that one's secure. So now you have a monopod about this size. It's about maybe 2.5 feet. Now I want to say it is from, I think on the box it says it's from 9 inches. This piece right here is a lot longer than 9 inches. It's about 18. So it's a little bit longer than a foot or a 1.5 feet. I would say that's about a foot right there. So a 1.5 feet, just about. That is this piece right here. So it is a little bit longer than it says, and it also brings this lanyard here so that you can keep it on your hand. I wanted to mention that as well. But let's go ahead and extend all of them and just kind of show you how long this piece actually is. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one, and close this one. I want to point out that this thing is very, very sturdy. This does not shake. I mean, you can kind of hold it like that. I'm holding it on both sides right now, and you don't see like a shake mode. And this is really good because you don't want to be holding a stick like that and having your phone shaking up and down. A $1,000 phone shaking on top of a monopod, that is not a pretty sight. So I thought that was really cool about that. It is a really sturdy device. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down again so I can show you how to connect the phone piece better. So we got the 1/4-inch screw, and we have a wheel down here that we're gonna go ahead and use to turn the screw and attach this piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this. Once this piece is connected, I'm recording with my phone, so I won't be able to put my phone in here, but I do have the belt case for my phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. This is a lot larger than the actual iPhone 6 Plus. So this will show you that this has the capability to extend quite a lot. As you can see here, it fit the actual, my phone has a case, and then that case goes inside this other case. So you can only tell how large this actually is. And then that holds that very well. Another cool feature is that it actually has a mirror there, so that when you are taking the selfie stick, you won't be able to see it very well on the camera, but that's a little mirror. And when you're taking the stick, when you're taking a picture, you can actually see where you're pointing at. So that was a really cool feature. And then again, you can adjust, you can turn this knob right here and you can adjust the angle that you want to use the monopod on. Back and forth like that. And then as I mentioned before, you can actually take it out of here and you can also use it like this. So it's got two versions or two options for you to use it in case you wanted to use it like that, kind of record a sideways mode. It's got really a lot of options, so it's very versatile in that aspect. I thought it was a perfect selfie stick. This is not a beginner's device, this is the pro selfie stick, and this is the model LR1288. Just to read you a couple of features real quick. It is an aluminum alloy. The capacity or the weight is about 500 grams. It extends to 39 inches, about 40 inches, which is about 4 feet. And then the capacity of the battery is 45 miles, which charges in 1 hour, and it gives you a standby time of 100 hours. This also works on Android, not only iPhone, both of them. It is capable of work on pretty much everything that has Bluetooth and takes pictures. I'm sure it'll work on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.